Hey you guys, I'm back with another cooking video, and today I will be making brown stew chicken. First you want to add 10 to 12 pieces of chicken chopped into a bowl, 1 yellow onion diced. Add you any vegetable that you prefer. I got me some orange and yellow bell peppers right here. I also added chopped celery. Put you 1 pack of McCormick seasoning into the bowl. You can get the regular gravy kind if you prefer that one. Whichever one you like, it doesn't matter. In this bowl, I have a double seasoning, thyme, paprika, onion powder, ginger, garlic, cumin, and allspice. You want to sprinkle that in the bowl as well. Next up, you want to add you some browning and seasoning sauce. You can find this at Walmart. Now, you want to give this a good toss, making sure everything is evenly coated. Because after you do this, you want to marinate this. So for about 30 minutes, you want to marinate it. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to, but I prefer that. Okay, so after you let it marinate for 30 minutes, you want to put all your mixture in the pot. You want to set the eye on high and cook that straight for about 5 minutes on high. You want to stir it around, making sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Now you want to add 2 cups of water, and you want to cook that on medium for 45 minutes. And honey, look at that brown stew chicken. Now don't that look like roast beef? As always, thank you so much for watching. Measurements will be listed down below in the description box. And until next time, bye y'all.